The 1955 Buick Subar, priced at $26,500, has been completely restored and is described as being in very good condition. This stunning vehicle features a two-tone mint green and white exterior with wide white wall tires and gleaming chrome details that highlight its classic style. The interior has been beautifully restored, with matching green upholstery, a classic dashboard featuring wood grain trim, and vintage-style instrumentation. Everything on this car is reported to be in optimal working condition, making it ready to drive and enjoy. The 1958 Desoto Firedome, listed at $32,000, is a collector-class vehicle powered by a 361 cubic inch V8 engine with a push-button automatic transmission. It features power steering and power brakes. The exterior is finished in a striking red and white two-tone color scheme, complemented by iconic tail fins, chrome accents, and wide white wall tires. The interior is well preserved, retaining its original design with a spacious layout, a classic dash, and detailed trim. The 1959 Ford Ranchero, priced at $18,900, combines vintage styling with modern appeal. It is powered by a 351 Windsor engine, paired with a C4 automatic transmission, and is described as rust-free. The exterior is finished in a two-tone blue and white combination, highlighted by gleaming chrome accents and white wall tires. The interior includes a beautifully restored blue and white bench seat and a clean vintage dashboard. This Ranchero retains its classic design while providing reliable functionality, making it ready for cruising, collecting, or showcasing at car meets. The 1956 Chevrolet 210 sedan, listed for $25,000, features a light green and white two-tone exterior and a clean, restored interior with bench seating and updated gauges. It is equipped with a V8 engine and an automatic transmission. Described as a solid driver, this Chevrolet runs and drives great, though it is not a show car. The vehicle offers subtle upgrades for reliability and comfort. If these classic cars bring back memories, hit like and subscribe to keep the nostalgia alive. Thanks for being part of the ride with us. The 1955 Ford Thunderbird, priced at $27,000, is a raven black convertible powered by a 292 cubic inch V8 engine paired with a 3-speed automatic transmission. It comes with both a hardtop and soft top, along with a period-correct Continental kit. The car retains many original features, including power steering, power brakes, and a power bench seat, while the interior features black and white pleated vinyl upholstery. Recent service includes transmission work, steering adjustments, and a coolant flush. While minor issues like a small oil leak and a non-functioning horn are noted, this Thunderbird is a strong candidate for collectors or those seeking an enjoyable driving experience. The 1941 Chrysler New Yorker, listed at $23,200, underwent a frame-off restoration and is in excellent condition. It features a creamy yellow exterior with gleaming chrome accents and a unique plaid and red interior with wood grain trim. The vehicle is powered by a straight-six engine paired with a fluid drive transmission. This two-owner car runs great and is an exceptional example of pre-war American automotive elegance. The 1956 Chevrolet 150 sedan, priced at $24,900, is powered by a rebuilt 235 Blue Flame 6-cylinder engine paired with a 5-speed manual transmission. The car has received several modern updates, including front disc brakes, Pertronix electronic ignition, vintage air conditioning, and a dual exhaust system. The two-tone paint job complements the retro design, while the interior features a modern stereo with Bluetooth and lap belts for added safety. With 15,600 miles on the rebuild, this car is described as being reliable, capable of highway speeds, and ready for both practical driving and vintage enjoyment. The 1947 Chevrolet Fleetline, priced at $10,000, is a project car featuring a beige exterior in good condition and a gray interior that requires reupholstering. Powered by a 3.5 liters engine and a manual transmission, it is drivable but may need additional maintenance. The clean title and solid body make this Fleetline a great candidate for restoration or customization.
Oh, I guess I'm following her.
The 1951 Chevrolet 3100 flatbed truck, listed at $12,000, is partially restored and retains many original components, including the radio and 3-speed transmission. The engine has been replaced with a 50 model. Work still needed includes spring repairs, choke reconnection, and chrome replacement on the front bumper. The truck is described as being in good overall condition and offers a strong foundation for further restoration. The 1951 Studebaker Commander convertible, priced at $34,500, has been custom dechromed and painted yellow with a newly finished dark green interior. Powered by a 302 V8 engine with a 3-speed automatic transmission, the car includes features such as power windows, a power top, power disc brakes, air conditioning, and a 6-way power seat. Recently updated with a new radiator and tires with less than 1,000 miles, this rare convertible is described as cruising effortlessly at highway speeds and combines modern performance with vintage style. The 1950 Desoto Deluxe, priced at $5,250, is powered by a 6-cylinder engine paired with a 2-speed fluid drive transmission. With 47,033 miles, this car remains in great shape, showcasing an almost entirely original build except for the bottom of the front seat. Notable features include a rust-free body and operational components, though the brakes may stick if left sitting for extended periods. The 1959 Jaguar Mark II, listed for $29,500, is a classic 3.4-liter sedan featuring a manual 4-speed gearbox and showing 62,688 miles. It underwent a full restoration and remains in perfect condition with no rust. The exterior boasts a striking red finish, complemented by a tan interior that is equally flawless. Recent updates include new brakes and tires, and the car has passed Massachusetts state inspection, making it ready to be enjoyed by enthusiasts or collectors. The 1941 Buick Special, priced at $24,500, is a sedanette fastback with its original Fireball straight-eight engine and a 3-speed column shift transmission. The car retains its original paint and running gear, while the interior has been entirely reupholstered in leather, maintaining a factory-inspired aesthetic. It features a hidden RideTech air ride system controlled via Bluetooth, with components discreetly stored in a period-correct piece of luggage in the trunk. The 1953 Ford F-250, listed at $25,000, features a V8 engine and a 4-speed manual transmission. Described as being in really good condition, the truck is all original except for the paint. While it runs and drives, it may occasionally require gas to be poured into the carburetor if left sitting for a while. This one-owner vehicle retains its vintage charm and offers a solid foundation for restoration or use as is. The 1939 Chevrolet Master Deluxe Coupe, priced at $40,000, is an all-steel street rod powered by a 454 big block engine with a TH350 automatic transmission and a 10-bolt Poser rear. It features numerous performance upgrades, including a Mustang II front clip with rack and pinion steering, power disc brakes, and a dual exhaust system with Flowmasters. The exterior is finished in dark blue paint with flake, and the interior includes reclining bucket seats, VDO gauges, and a banjo-style steering wheel. With excellent build quality and minor issues to address, this pre-war hot rod is a powerful and stylish choice for enthusiasts. The 1951 Willys M38, listed for $18,000, has been freshly restored and shows just 66 miles since completion. This Jeep includes a 24-volt system and comes with additional accessories such as a soft top, an Arctic hard top, bows, extra paint, and a military antenna. It is described as being in near-new condition and fully functional. The vehicle is currently located at the Jeep Guy Museum in Fillmore, Utah, and delivery is possible. The 1951 Chevrolet Deluxe, priced at $14,000, is powered by a 350 small block engine with chrome accessories and features air conditioning. The car runs well and requires only a brake job, though it remains drivable in its current state. It is free of rust, with a clean title, and offers a reliable and stylish vintage driving experience. The 1959 Chevrolet Apache, listed at $23,500, is a fleet-side pickup built on a '78 Blazer frame. It has a rebuilt 350 engine with only 14 miles since completion, a turbo 350 transmission, and a rebuilt transfer case. Features include a 3-inch body lift, 33-inch tires, vintage air, VVO gauges, and new interior components such as carpet, seat, and headliner. The truck runs and drives great, but requires paint correction and bodywork on the front fenders to be fully complete. The 1946 Mercury 8, priced at $22,000, features a Chevy 350 engine, automatic transmission, power steering, and front power disc brakes. Its cream exterior with pin striping is complemented by clean chrome accents and polished wheels. The updated interior includes gray upholstery and modern gauges. This classic blends vintage styling with reliable modern performance for a comfortable and stylish ride. The 1960 Nash Metropolitan, listed for $14,500, is finished in an eye-catching turquoise and white exterior with a matching gray and white interior. Powered by a 1500 engine, this car has been garage-kept and features new tires, original upholstery, and a strong rust-free undercarriage. With its original radio in excellent working condition, this vehicle is described as a charming and crowd-pleasing classic. The 1947 Chevrolet Stylam, priced at $35,000, is a rare coupe featuring a 327 motor with an automatic transmission. It includes front disc brakes, tilt steering, a custom dash, and a solid body with fresh tires and a clean undercarriage. The car's paint and interior are in great shape, and it has been well maintained with a recent tune-up. With its classic styling and modern enhancements, this Stylamaster is ready for shows or cruising. The 1930 Ford Model A, listed at $25,000, merges vintage aesthetics with modern performance. It is powered by a rear-mounted 2.8 liters inline-six engine paired with a trans-axle setup, supported by a custom aftermarket front suspension and manual rack and pinion steering. Features include a custom interior with bucket seats, air conditioning, and a wood-grain steering wheel. The exterior is finished in classic brown paint with chrome accents, 15-inch Kragar SS wheels, and 4-wheel disc brakes. This Restomod offers a unique blend of classic design and contemporary upgrades.